Okay, this is the Butler Apartments. This is the trick to the Avanti range knobs.
Pulling it off, hold your hand all around it. You got a little clip that's inside the knob. On this one, it amazingly stayed in. But this little clip right there is the biggest problem. And you just put your dress-up ring and your spring on there. Put the clip barely inside the knob. And don't let it fall in like that.
Show it to me.
To where it's kind of sticking out a little bit.
Okay.
And that's when you have to put it on. I'm trying to do it where you can see it as best here. And that is wrong, how I just put it on there. If it doesn't pop back off on its own, then you've done it right.
The issue is that when these knobs are removed by either the tenant or someone who doesn't know about that clip will pop out and fall on the floor, get lost, and then the knobs will not stay on without the clip.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll post that.